where most people get stuck. And I'll say it again. If you're new, this is your opportunity to leave, because there's no point being here if you're in the wrong place or if you don't get this. You may as well, you're not going to get a refund on your 3K, but you're not going to have to pay another 3K a month. And if you don't get this and you don't go all the way through it, your investment will have been in vain. I'm not saying you won't close some more deals along the way, but it's not going to be the exponential 100x, 200x ROI that you will get if you get through this. If you are not new here, this is what you need to stay aware of to make sure that you get through the journey here. Okay, so I'm going to draw this in two different ways. We'll come to this one here in a minute, and we'll do this one here first. Okay, let's do a different color there. Let's do black and this. Okay, so a straight line. All right, cool. So the Unicorn Closer Mastermind, I'm going to draw this like this. Let's do 1, 4. Okay. All right. So this line here represents time. Okay. And this line here represents success, which I'm going to state again is a, how do I draw this? Let's draw it like this. Success means your inner success, which is a reflection of your outer success. So by success, I'm meaning internal change, which is also going to equal external change. Success just simply means both of those because they cannot be inconsistent with each other. Okay. So this point here is day 0, which means the day you joined the mastermind. Okay. Now what happens is the day you join the mastermind, because you've made an internal decision to level up as a person, you've increased your identity. There's no sales call. There's no convincing you to be here. There's nobody else pushing you to be here. It's not a small investment. You know full well when you join, there's extremely high standards. And all of you have chosen to go through that elevation independently, which means you've transformed. And so because you've transformed on the inside, what is going to happen on the outside, which for those who've been here many months, you've seen this again and again and again and again and again. When someone joins, what happens is, boom, they all of a sudden start closing more fucking deals, literally instantly. Not because they've gone through any of the trainings, but because they've changed their identity. They took an action outside of their comfort zone, which is leveling up their level of consciousness. They've become a different person. In that instantaneous moment that they join the mastermind, they will start getting results. That is always the case. Okay. Then what happens? And so this is phase 1. This is like $1 million pitch for any of you who've got $1 million pitch. Phase 1 is what we call quick wins. You instantly will start getting some wins because you've changed who you are as a person. You joined the mastermind without a sales call. You invested $3,000 a month, and you know that we don't fuck around in here. You've chosen to join that. So you will get instant wins. Now, after phase 1, and that could be a few days, a week, a month, there's no exact time period on here. What will happen is that you'll come down a little bit. Let's just say 50% of the way. You won't all of a sudden be closing deal after deal after deal after deal. All of your calls are turning up to your calls. And what will then happen is you'll have this period like this, where you'll go up and down and up and down and up and down. And you'll probably have a slightly higher peak of ups and downs and ups and downs and ups and downs. Okay. And this is phase 2. Okay. Which we call learning in simple terms. These are simple names. You're learning the things. You're doing the 4 core pillars. You're learning scriptless selling. You're doing the internal mastery. You have a win. You have a good couple of days. Then you have a bad couple of days. Then you have a good month. Then you have a bad month. And you go through this phase here, which is phase 2. Is everyone following along so far? Is anybody confused? Okay, cool. Now, what do you think happens in phase 3? And by the way, phase 2, again, these are random periods of time. I'll say, 1 day to, let's call it 2 months. Okay, to 2 months. This is somewhere around about 1 week to 4 months, which, no fucking surprise, is the minimum time to be here. What do you think happens in phase 3, folks?
Sink or swim.
Sink or swim? Yep, pretty close. Typically what happens is you will come all the way back down to here, and you'll have some ups and downs and ups and downs. You might have a big up and then a big down, and you'll have something like this. Okay? Phase 3. And this is around about months 4 to somewhere around about month, let's call it 13. I'm going to say just over a year. And you might be like, what the fuck? Like, I'm going to have fucking 8 months of shit? You're still going to have wins. And again, this win could have been higher. It could have been one of your best, or probably would be. You might have like 2 really good months. So let's draw it more like that. Okay. Why? What is happening in here? This, folks, is you versus you. Real transformation. Do you think it's easy, folks, to fight a battle with yourself? It's much harder to fight a battle with yourself than it is to fight a battle with someone else. Because it's one of those weird situations where it's like, do I want to beat myself up? Well, that doesn't make much sense because then I'm beating myself up. But if I don't beat myself up, then I'm going to get beaten up. And so it's like this weird situation of like, I have to kill my old identity, but I don't want to kill my old identity. And you're going through this real deep tunnel. Okay, they call it the abyss. They call it the dark night of the soul. They call it many different things. Okay, this period is where I could insert all of the reasons that you gave at the start of this training of why you are here. You want to hit 100K a month? You want to master human beings, master people? You want to truly change yourself? You want to truly see your full potential or have no regrets? I can guarantee you, every single one of you, it will not happen unless you get through this. And do you know what the drop-off rate is for this, folks, inside the mastermind? Despite everything we give you, 2 fucking mentors, multiple live events a year, all the training you could ever need, all the mentorship, example after example after example of people that have done it. Nicole, Jacob, Skylar, Manuel, myself. The drop-off rate is still, and I'm guessing the number here, folks, but fucking 95% of them. Most people drop off in here. They don't really drop off here, and they definitely don't fucking drop off here. They drop off here. And so I've done this similar ilk of training almost every week now for the last few weeks. If you're new, you won't know this. Just fucking quit now. If you aren't going to get through this, don't invest another $3,000 for the next 12 months because you won't get an ROI. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.